Alright, hey there. So you may have run into an issue where your Borderlands saves. Oh, yeah, my desktop is already open. So you go to Documents, My Games, Borderlands, your save games. All your save games are supposed to be here, right? But what if they're not? And you go to boot up. So what I had happen. Well, first of all, let's get the video out of the way. So what you're gonna want to do is go down here, go down to Steam, wherever you put Steam. You're gonna want to go to user data. This folder here. What does that say? 8980 AC, WinMyDocuments, My Games, Borderlands, Save Data, and then they'll all be there. So what happened to me is I signed into a different Steam account. What do I want to name it? I want to name it Lost Borderlands Saves. And then we'll just copy this. So that's the address right there. That's the address. Yeah, so I logged into a different Steam account and all my Borderlands saves were gone. And so I remembered that it did the same thing with Skyrim. It's done that to me a couple times where the let's see if I remember where Skyrim went. Skyrim went here. No. Here? No. 7? No. Well, it hasn't done it for Skyrim. And technically it hasn't done it on since having this laptop. And technically it hasn't done it on this laptop either. I just manually made all these folders, but it's exactly the same as it appears on my other laptop. So that should be an answer for you. Sadly, there is a here, 1 second. Skyrim saves disappeared. And it was a Reddit. It was a Reddit thread. As I said here. Yeah, that's it right there. Right there. Yeah. Anyway.